Hello everyone, it's me Cheppy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to restrict anyone from deleting added printers in Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So if you're using a Windows 11, then just open the settings and just click on this Bluetooth and devices and just click on this devices. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here devices and printers. Just click on it. Now the devices and printers window will get open, and if you're using a Windows 7 or older operating system, then just open the control panel and just click on this hardware and sounds. Click on this device and printers. Now here you will see all the already added printers list, as you can see here. So let me just right mouse click on the respective printer, and now you can see remove device. If I click on it, you can see here, are you sure you want to remove this device? So if I click on yes, then it will get removed. So in order to restrict anyone from deleting any of these added printers, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus R to open the run program, and in the run program just type regedit and click on OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now the registry editor program will get open, and now just select this H key current user folder and click on this left arrow icon, and now click on this software folder and once again click on this left arrow icon. Now just scroll down below. Now select this Microsoft folder and once again click on this left arrow icon. Now scroll down below again. Now select this Windows folder and once again click on this left arrow icon. Now select this current version folder and click on this left arrow icon. Now scroll down below again and select this policies folder. Click on this left arrow icon again. Now just select this Explorer folder. Now if you don't see this Explorer folder under this policies folder, then what you can do is just right mouse click on this policies folder, and you can select this new, and you can create a key and give a folder name Explorer if you don't see this folder. So in my case it's already available. I'll just select it. Now on the right side, just right mouse click on new and select this keyword 32-bit value. Now give a name, no delete printer. So you need to give this name, no delete printer, and hit enter. And now just double click on it. Now change this value data from 0 to 1 and click on OK. Now your all task has been completed. Now you can minimize it. Now on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the task manager, and now just select the Windows Explorer and click on restart. Now just reopen the device and printers, and let us try to remove any one of this added printers list. Let me click on this remove device. So you can see here this operation has been cancelled due to restriction. So finally it's working perfectly. So if you want to disable it again, just move back to the registry option which we have created, and you can just right mouse click on it and you can delete this file, then it will be restored back. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily restrict anyone from deleting added printers in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. Lastly, thanks for watching.